AP-PNC8000 H265 H264 based up to 8-channel video encoder is a next-generation 4K interface Full HD video encoder equipment based on a 4K video capture card and NVIDIA high-performance hardware accelerator. High-definition Full HD video codec based on H264 and the latest high-compression, high-definition video codec based on H.265 can be used in AP-PNC8000-4K. And can be used for various purposes such as drone video surveillance, environment disaster prevention surveillance, etc. that require secure communication. It can be applied to the field of real-time video transmission. In particular, the video input hardware and advanced high-performance video dedicated hardware accelerator installed in AP-PNC8000-4K can minimize video processing delay, making it optimized for real-time video surveillance applications such as broadcasting and military fields. For 4K video input, you can optionally select 4K video encoding or 4K for video input and Full HD for video encoding. Because of transmission bandwidth, it may be reasonable to encode video in Full HD while preserving the image quality of a 4K camera. AP-PNC Integrated Security Management System is a next-generation, Windows-based video management system solution that can be mounted on high-performance commercial server to monitor and store network-based live video such as drone images. The main software component for ISMS consists of RTSP Video Streaming Server, RTSP Video Live Viewer Server and optionally Video Storage Server. Smart RTSP Video Live Viewer software is CCTV video display software for monitoring network-based drones, satellite video codecs, 4K HDMI multi-channel encoder and IP cameras. It supports low bitrate video codec H265 as well as existing H264 video codec. The satellite CCTV security control software solution supports various software functions considering the characteristics of satellite communication. This Video Live Viewer software supports ability to provide uninterrupted and stable service in low bandwidth using H265 codec, real-time satellite network transmission error prediction function, real-time automatic video bitrate adjustment according to satellite network conditions and real-time display of satellite network status. Smart RTSP Video Live Viewer software supports a dark and black user interface to reduce eye fatigue. And Smart RTSP Video Live Viewer supports multi-channel video display and it supports display layout adjustment and display ratio adjustment.